This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your printer supports AirPrint or the Maker's app, because that determines the method you use. Make sure both the iPhone and printer share the exact same Wi-Fi network. Many printers work best on 4 GHz. Turn the printer on, load paper, and check ink or toner levels so prints won't fail mid-job. Once done, open settings on your iPhone to verify Wi-Fi. Then move to the printing source, AirPrint or the vendor app, so you know which path to follow. If your printer supports AirPrint, open the document or photo, tap the share icon, then print. Tap Select Printer and choose the AirPrint name. This connects automatically because AirPrint uses Bonjour to discover devices. If AirPrint isn't available, download the manufacturer's app, then follow the guided setup to add the printer via your Wi-Fi network or by scanning a QR code. The app often configures drivers and preferences. If the network is hidden or unsupported, use the printer's Wi-Fi direct or hotspot mode, then return to the app or iPhone Wi-Fi settings to complete pairing. Now send a test print. Pick the document, set copies, orientation, and color versus black and white, then tap Print. Watch the printer's status light or job queue on your iPhone. If printing fails, restart the iPhone, router, and printer. This clears many discovery issues. Then verify both devices are on the same network and update firmware and the printer app. If problems persist, locate the printer's IP in its settings to add it manually in advanced options, or reset the printer's network settings as a final step to reconfigure from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.